Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. In the spirit of trying to keep today's job lead video very short and to the point, just remember that all the links to everything I share will be in the YouTube description box below. I do not work for these companies. I simply share what I find online. And as always, I encourage you to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But with that being said, the company American Homes for Rent, they are a fast-growing property management company, and they rent out single-family rental homes. They are looking for a customer service representative. Now, they are based out of Vegas, Nevada. However, they are hiring within the United States, and I did not see any state restrictions listed in the job posting, and this is 100% remote for my United States folks. They are specifically looking for someone to provide customer service for incoming calls as well as emails from both tenants that currently rent from them and non-tenants using in-depth knowledge of their company's products and programs. You'll perform activities related to those inbound calls and emails. You'll place outbound calls sometimes in order to follow up with customers and other property management groups regarding actionable items. You'll support the department by performing administrative assistance such as filing, faxing, and report generating, and you'll support your teams by attending team meetings. Now, they are looking for someone with a high school diploma or GED is required. Of course, college is always preferred, but it is not required. They do want someone who has 2 years experience in an inbound call center setting. Someone who has real estate or property management knowledge is preferred, but not required. You do need to be able to work with Microsoft Office Suite and have great verbal and written communication skills and great problem solving skills. So if this sounds like a good job for you, they start you out at $19 an hour, and it says plus monthly bonus. They offer a benefit package including healthcare, dental, vision, 401k with a company match, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.